Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a pineapple. This was a very easy painting and I think it would be great for beginners. So this is all the stuff I use. I also use the canvas and tracing paper. So the first thing you want to do is take your design and rub pastels on the back of it. That way you can transfer it to your canvas. Once you're done taping it to the canvas, then you can start tracing. Once you're done tracing, you can remove the paper, and now we're going to take a gold marker and start filling in the pineapple. Once you're done filling in your pineapple, I'm going to take some white paint and go over the background. Once your pineapple is dry, you're done. This painting took under 1 hour to do and it was very simple. But to be quite honest, it was boring me, so I decided to add glitter. If you do want to add glitter, what you want to do is take your glitter, add water to it to dilute it, and then you're going to brush it all over the canvas. Once your glitter is dry, your painting is done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, bye!